IIT GATE 2024, question number 3. For positive integers p and q with p by q not equals to 1, this equality holds. Then we have to choose the correct option. So p by q whole power p by q is equal to p power p by q divided by p power 1, because we are using the rule that a power m minus n is a power m divided by a power n. Now we can write it as p power p by q divided by q power p by q equals to p power p by q divided by p. So we are using the rule that a upon b power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. So this and this will get cancelled out. So we will have p equals to q power p by q. So we raise both the sides to q and we will get this. And now these two will cancel. So we'll have p power q equals to q power p. Option number A is the correct answer.